Hi guys, and welcome back to another episode of Gold Presents What's in My Fridge. Today I randomly had some people coming over, so I'm thinking of what do I make. And the first thing that I do is always check what's in my freezer. So let's go and see.
A freezer full of my favorite ingredients makes me so happy. Goeld makes 100% vegan products, and that's so important for the environment in the times we live. And I think I found what I need.
This is what I found in my freezer, these Goeld beetroot and cheese tikkis. Now, I don't want to serve something just plain and simple, but I want to actually glam it up. I'm a chef and people are coming at home, so I want to make something exciting. So I've got these little burger buns or slider buns, and they're making me think of something completely different and unique. I want to have beetroot flavors, I want to have cheese flavors. Why not do a quick slider recipe? I'm going to show you the ingredients and let's get cooking. So for this recipe you need the Goeld beetroot and cheese tikkis, which I've taken out of the freezer, and we're going to make a yummy Chipotle Mayo. So we need some mayo. You can use eggless or with egg, however you like. You also need some chili paste. I just took some dried chilies, dehydrated them and added a little bit of water and made a puree out of them. You can keep this in the fridge, it's easy to store. You need a little bit of lemon, some fresh herbs. I have rosemary and I have thyme, and some boiled beetroot. So I have all these ingredients, and most importantly, to build up the slider, fresh tomatoes, fresh onions, some lovely red chilies which are in season right now, actually one of my favorite ingredients, butter, cheese, cucumber, some zucchini which we'll grill and add, and some fresh lettuce. So these are all our ingredients, and let's get cooking. So a little bit of oil, a little bit of butter. So now if you were making a chicken patty or a lamb patty at home, you would add some fresh herbs into your oil or infuse your oil. That's what we're going to do. So we have some rosemary. I'm just going to put some rosemary into the oil. I have some thyme. Just crush the herbs in your hands. It releases its natural oils. We're going to take out our tikkis, and we're going to add them. So into our mayo, we're going to be adding our fresh chili paste, a little bit of lemon juice, some salt and pepper, and just give it a nice mix. And your chipotle or chili mayo is ready. Let's have a look at the tikkis and let's see the color. Got a nice brown coating. So as you can see that your tikki is nicely cooked on one side, we're going to let it cook for another 5 minutes on the other side till we get our beetroot dip ready. We add a lemon. A little bit of salt, some pepper, and some extra virgin olive oil. So your beetroot dip is ready. We just have to add some fresh parsley. So we're just going to check the tikki on the other side. It should be nice and brown. Just remember, it has a lovely cheese filling, so you have to be a little careful. Take them out on a paper towel and drain off any excess oil. So now we just have to prep our veggies. I've got tomato, onion, cucumber, zucchini, and some lettuce. We're just going to slice it up. If you have a mandolin, use a mandolin. Slicing up my cucumber, onion, Okay, so I have my zucchini, I have cucumber, I have onion, and I have tomato, which is ready for the slider. But we will quickly grill the zucchini and then toast our burger buns as well. So the thinly sliced zucchini has only been cooking for about a minute or two. You just want the grill lines to come. So in the same pan, we're gonna get our burger buns ready or our slider buns ready. Just added a little bit of butter, a little bit of oil. Cut your slider buns and just pop them into your grill pan. If you don't have a grill pan, you can do the same thing in the tawa. And now we are going to get ready to assemble our beetroot cheese sliders. So it's really important when you're making any sliders or any burgers, you have all your ingredients ready. So we have our toasted buns. We have the chipotle or chili mayo. We've got our Goeld beetroot and cheese tikkis, which we've cooked with a little bit of herbs and butter. We've also got a beetroot dip on the side. We've got some fresh veggies, cucumbers, onions, tomatoes, and some lettuce. The first step is to put your chili chipotle mayo. So on the other side, we're going to be adding the beetroot dip with fresh parsley. Just spread it well. The reason I make this beetroot dip at home is because it gives you that extra punch of nutrition and flavor, and most importantly, gorgeous beetroot color. Now we start layering. So the first thing that we do is put our lettuce. It's super fresh, super easy, very healthy, and something which is exciting for people when they come home. I'm adding the grilled zucchini. Final ingredient, the beetroot and cheese tikki. So we've actually built up our sliders. The last thing that I want to do is add some cheese, which is everyone's favorite. So just cut half a cheese slice. So here it is, my version of upgrading or glamming up a beetroot tikki. So easy, so flavorful, and most importantly, really nutritious. I'm gonna go serve my guests and enjoy my party. I will see you soon on the next episode of Goeld Presents What's in My Fridge. See you, bye.